Let's see if we are able to do some broadcasting from the office also, basically in the main lab. So let us see my YouTube and see if we are able to stream data. Seems like it's going to go well, and obviously the quality of the video, same like before, is going to be horrible because it's at 240p and not faster than that. Unless my internet connection does not improve, this situation is not going to improve. So today's main live cast is about physical data recovery jobs that are coming to office and the users are not able to understand what is the procedure. And so I am making a video for all the users so that they can see it and possibly understand the physical data recovery methods. Now let's assume you come to my office and you hand over one hard drive to me. Please take this hard drive and uh, uh, recover my data. So I will initially inspect that, and once I am done with the inspection, if I think that it is a physical data recovery case, I will inform the guy and tell him, "Ki sir, I need money for CRI." CRI means clean room inspection, and a lot of people will question me on that. That why are you taking CRI? I will answer it by explaining you with a medical emergency that you might have at home. Let's assume that your father or somebody old is suffered from a heart attack, and you go to a surgeon and you tell the surgeon that hi, I have this problem, and please tell me, please operate my person. So what's going to happen is that the doctor is initially not going to put that old man on the operation table and cut him into pieces and ultimately figured out that, oh, this guy was suffering from blood pressure, so now the BP is so high that he's going to die on the table. So he's going to tell you, the gentleman, it's okay, I am going to do some basic tests on the individual. This is the money involved in the test. So similarly, in physical data recovery, when a case comes for physical data recovery, I am supposed to take clean room inspection charges from you. Then I will go into my clean room, open up the hard drive in a clean environment, inspect the heads and the platters, so that you and I are sure about uh, whether that job will be successful in the long run, in the entire process or not. Let's assume that while I inspect the hard drive, I figure out that there are too many scratches on the platter, and I tell you that this we cannot do because there are too many scratches on the platter. Might be you are interested and say, please, for my sake, you try it, or I give you an assurance of 100% that if we change the heads or we do this or that, and then we will be able to we will be able to recover the data. Either I give positive assurance or you are desperate for data. So then we go to the next step after CRI. So CRI is important so that we can come to know the internal condition of the drive. Now, once we have mutually explained to you that this is the internal inspection result and report, then you are supposed to pay me donor charges. Donor basically means the hard drive which I will need to buy. Then I will open up that hard drive, take the heads or the platter or whatever motor I want to use from that, and then I will put that into your patient drive to get your patient drive into a working state so that we can recover the data. So many people will say, First, I will give CRI, then I will give donor charges. Obviously, you have to give donor charges because if you actually have a head failure in the drive, you can't go into a place and say, "Oh, I have a hard drive failure, so please, give me a new set of heads." Heads are not sold like this. You can only get them from working hard drives. So that is the procedure. First we do the CRI, give you the result. Then you give us the payment for the donor. Then we try the exact clean room process and try to recover the data. If you see these systems behind me here, see these systems here, these are the semi-physical systems that basically will be utilized once we have changed your heads and the drive is in working order. This is meant for cloning it. Once the cloning process is over, then only that case is considered thing. So first, if you are actually giving such kind of physical job work to a guy, he should maintain a clean room. He should know how to operate the drive in the clean room, how to work on this, the procedure. He should have the tools. Once he has actually replaced the heads, he should have a proper data recovery tools he should have at his place so that he can do the next step, which is cloning, and might be extracting the data if there are certain bad sectors still left. So this was the entire thing I wanted to discuss with you today. That physical job work is not a very basic kind of a job. So when you give a job to a data recovery company, make sure that he's actually able to deliver and do that. So we have a few cases that today's time was utilized on some other issues and not much data recovery work was done. But tomorrow we will have some more videos coming up with certain details, and hopefully we will be able to work on some stuff. I will try to improve the quality of this so that I can, give you more details. But whenever there is a discussion or a rant like this, it's going to be easy for me to just pick up the laptop and move around and work on the cases. Tomorrow we will do some other stuff too. So till that time, I'm signing off. And if anybody has some questions about physical data recovery and he wants some data recovery jobs to be handled in Chandigarh area, basically Mohali, Panchkula, Zirakpur, or Haryana, Himachal, Punjab, even other places all across India, is welcome to contact us, and we'll try our level best to handle that as fast as we can. Physical jobs do involve some time, and it becomes a little bit harder to execute a number of them at the same time. So see you guys, and I hope the last video which I did on not to open up the drives to head so that you are not unsticking the heads yourself is also viewed by some people and they understand the implications of this kind of work. So see you then. Till then, I'm signing off. If anybody has any kind of data recovery job for me, please call me up on 9815 000 133, and be rest assured that it's going to be in good hands, and I'll try my level best to recover your data the most cost effective price that I can handle it. Okay, see you guys.